Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come, let's get into the video. In a world reborn from silence, the traveler walks carrying the weight of yesterday and the hope of a new dawn. But today, his path changes forever. In the quiet glow of the valley, he sees her, a child, standing alone yet surrounded by a light stronger than the sun. She looks at him with eyes that have seen no war, no loss, only possibility. And in that moment, the traveler realizes something profound. The future belongs not to those who destroyed the world, but to those who will rebuild it with love. Her small hand touches his chest. A warm pulse spreads through him, breaking open doors he closed long ago. His fears dissolve, his wounds soften, his heart begins to beat differently. She whispers, not with words, but with presence. The world does not need your strength, it needs your heart. Between them appears a glowing crystal, the heart of tomorrow, a symbol of everything humanity once lost and everything it can still become. The mountains awaken, the rivers glow, the earth breathes again, not because of magic, but because love was chosen over fear. The traveler receives the heart, and in that moment he understands. Tomorrow is not something we wait for. Tomorrow is something we create, step by step, choice by choice, heart by heart. This is Human Reset, the heart of tomorrow. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to Manoj Bytes, hit the bell icon and like button, because the next chapter will change the way you see destiny itself.